when this monster of a father betrayed the child he was meant to protect and thought a plea deal would save him. The judge crushed his illusion with a gruesome verdict, and what followed was a chaotic meltdown that shook the entire courtroom.
This was a heinous crime, Judge, because this was a minor child who almost assuredly didn't fully understand what was going on with somebody whom was entrusted to love her and to protect her. On this day, and this is not an excuse, Judge, for his behavior, but on this day, Mr. Welk was drinking a lot, was highly intoxicated, and took advantage of his stepdaughter. Since the day I met him, he is in disbelief that he did this. He has expressed to me his remorse. I'm going to respectfully ask the court to consider adopting the joint recommendation. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Welk, what do you want to tell me by imposed sentence?
First, I'd like to apologize to the courts for appearing before them today. I'd like to apologize to the victim in this case. I wouldn't be standing here today if I would have just been more responsible. I have 4 younger children that I've let down. The only thing I can do now is work on myself while incarcerated. I'm sincerely remorseful to my victim in this case, letting her down when I was supposed to be a father figure in her life. I beat myself up over this every day, over this, wishing I could take it all back. I just hope she can grow up in life and leave this in the past, and that it doesn't affect her future. Again, I'm sorry to everyone I caused pain to in this case.
Ms. Alessi?
The state believes it's essential to highlight not only what the defendant did pre-indictment, but also what he did after his arrest in this case. While incarcerated, he continued to communicate with the victim while in the Lake County Jail. He attempted to guilt and manipulate her by blaming her for her own suicide attempt. He emphasized they were a team and told her he loved her, despite being her abuser, despite doing what he did here. And during several of these recorded calls, you can hear the victim crying, further illustrating just the ongoing emotional harm caused by the defendant and his conduct. He has a lengthy criminal history, including 4 prior prison numbers and 5 felony cases. And all of this, I think, supports the need for a significant term of incarceration, and respectfully ask this court to impose a jointly agreed sentence of 8 years.
Thank you. Why did you call her after you were in jail?
Because I was told by the detective I was allowed to. I didn't call her, I called my wife and she answered the phone.
You've had a lifetime of criminal activity, but none worse than what has occurred here. I've considered what you have said, what counsel has said. Consideration of all that, on count 5, I'm going to sentence you to a term of 60 months. On count 6, I'm going to sentence you to a term of 60 months that will be consecutive to one another and for appropriate punishment.
Sit down. Get out, man. Come on, man.
Sit down.
What do you mean, man?
Stay down.
No, man. Get the fuck out of here, man. You took my plea back, man. Get me the fuck out of here, man. Get me out of here. Get me out of here, man. Get me out of here, man.